Troubleshooting a failed to ignite on startup issue error. So what happens when your glow plug fails? I have intentionally installed a bad one. Alright. It's going to attempt to fire up. This plug, to test it, you simply pull it out of the socket, let it dangle. On startup, the control board somewhere should show the plug indicator light. And this plug is supposed to glow red hot. If it does not, you will get an error code. Now, once you have installed a new glow plug from your kit, you're going to power it on. It's going to go through its startup cycle. And this time, after a few moments, this glow plug will start to glow red. There it is, people. That is what a working glow plug looks like. If it does not do this, when you pull it out and you let it dangle to test it, replace it.